Okay, you can see that we've cooked the hot dogs, and we're almost done with the pork. And I've got the ground beef over here in the strainer, and I was going to go ahead and dump that in the crock pot so we can have a place to put the pork here in a minute. I'll get that water going in here. Drain off the excess oil here. Now come over here to the pork and do the same thing over here. So you see, comes out with a little bit of grease. Some of that's just olive oil too, and it's got a nice crunch on it. And that's the way Indi and I like our little bit of crunch on the stuff. So, all right, so we've got the main ingredients ready to go to throw in here. We're going to go ahead and put our spoon in, add our red stuff first. As I said, that was a Rotel, which has got a little bit of peppers in it, not much. So I got that ready. So let's blend this in. And the peppers add a little bit of color too, a little bit of bite, the way I like to put it. We got that. And what we'll do is we'll wait for the pork to cool off a little bit. Then we'll throw in the pork, mix it in, and add the black olives and the mushrooms. And we'll be ready to cut up the hot dogs and throw it in there too. And matter of fact, I'm gonna show you a little trick that Indi likes me to use. Take the hot dogs and get the scissors out here and cut them up. That way you don't, I gotta hold the camera with one hand. So gotta cut up the hot dogs with the scissors like that. And if you leave them a little bit connected, then it's okay, because when you are mixing this stuff up as you go, you know, obviously they'll come apart. They got a nice little crunch on them too, so we can throw those in here. And all right, I've taken this about as far as I'm gonna go. What I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and plan on mixing everything up and then getting it ready to go here in the crock pot, and then put it on, looks like I'm thinking I'm gonna do 6 hours. Since all the meat's already done, it's not a matter of contamination or anything. It's a matter of just, you know, getting everything to blend well together. And then it'll be ready to turn off about 4 o'clock, something like that. And then we'll eat something close to 7 o'clock. I'll start the noodles then as I get closer, and I'll do a little video on how I do the noodles too, which I think you'll find is a nice way to do it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.